Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jessie. I post travel content, plus size fashion videos, as well as lifestyle content, so please subscribe if you're new and you want to see more content like this. Today we have a really exciting video, which is a SHEIN haul. I haven't shopped on SHEIN for a hot minute, but I have a trip coming up, so thought why not try a few pieces on camera to show you guys what I'm gonna keep and what I'm gonna return. So let's try it on. Okay, this is the first little set I got. Little brown green set. It's kind of like a little bit of a linen material. Let's talk about the top first. So it has a bit of a high neckline. I've got this in a 1X, and then it has like kind of like a, what's this called? Asymmetrical fit at the bottom, and then it kind of cinches in the waist. It also has this little button, so I like how it's a high neckline, and generally this top fits me good. It's a little snug and I don't think it's super flattering, but I think overall this is like a miss for me. I like the skirt. It fits really well. I got it in a 2X. It also has kind of like the asymmetrical vibe, but just together I feel like it's too much material, too much going on. I also don't really love the color on me. I think it's cute, but maybe if I got it in black I would keep the skirt, but I think this whole thing is going to be returned. Even though it fits, I just don't think it's perfect for me, so if I don't love it when I buy it, I return it. So on to the next. Okay, next up we have this gorgeous hot pink dress. So this is just a really fitted body contouring dress. It's got like a little mesh overlay, so it's super comfortable, super stretchy fabric with some little frilly details on the side. I think this is so cute. I got it in a 1X and I think it fits me perfectly. It's not too tight. I might be able to size down one size, but I'm pretty happy with this size. I remember this one coming in like lots of other colors. Do I wish I got it in black? Maybe, but I think it's super cute. Also, I have it paired with this super fun vacation necklace. This was definitely inspired by Hallie Kate from TikTok. I love her and I love her outfits. She was recently, I think in St. Bart's, and she had one like this from Amazon. Of course, I found like a similar one on SHEIN. Also, I wanted to get more into my bracelets, so I picked up this little flower gold one, and I actually love it. It's like a little cuff, and I think it's like the perfect little accessory for vacation or just any night out. I actually might wear it tonight. I think this is super cute, and I love it. Definitely would recommend this one. Okay, next up we have a little tank top and jean short moment. So let's start with the top. This is kind of like a little vest tank top stitch. It's a really cute brown and white color. Fits awesome. I think this is a 1X I got. So it has a bit of an interesting fit. It's kind of longer in the front and then more like cropped in the back, which is okay if you're gonna wear like high-waisted shorts. I think this fits really cute. This angle is not really doing anything for me. Let's step back. Okay, yeah, there we go. I think this is really cute, really comfortable, and when I was shopping for tank tops, I really like that you can just wear like a regular bra and like no funny business, basically. I hate having to wear like strapless and things like that, so love just like being able to wear a regular bra. So I think this is cute and I'm gonna keep it. Next up, let's talk about the white shorts. I also got these, I can't remember if it was a 1X or a 2X. I'll be putting everything in description box below. Sizes, links, everything, color. I think they're a 2X. So these are pretty good length. The material is pretty thin for a white. They feel okay. I don't really love like the stretchy portion in the back, but I just wanted to try them on because I don't have any jean shorts, which sucks, but overall these ones fit good. I don't love them, so I think I'm gonna return them, but good option if you're looking for a white pair of shorts. I don't know, I don't like how they like flare out at the bottom. I think that's what I don't like about them, and maybe that they're a thinner material because I feel like I'm gonna be in Colombia. It's gonna be so hot, and I'm picturing myself like sweating through these, so I think I'm gonna have to pass on them. So, but close. We were close. All right, let's talk about some things I love from this little haul. Starting with the skirt on the bottom. I think this is one of my favorite pieces from the entire thing. It's just this cute, kind of frilly white skirt. Actually skirt, which is even better. So it has like the little white shorts underneath, which is honestly a must for like a skirt like this, because this is definitely a daytime skirt and nighttime probably. But white, I will be able to wear it with everything. I think this is a 1X, fits perfectly. I know I'm gonna get so much wear out of it for this trip and all summer long. So really happy with this find, definitely keeping it. And then on top, I have this little blue tank top. It is really cute, love the color, but the fit is a little bit big and it's something that I know I'm gonna be like pulling around on. And I don't know, I don't really love crop tops anymore. I think I would rather a full length tank top and just like tuck it in. So I think this one, even though it is cute, I think I'm gonna return it just because I know after like a few months, I'm not gonna probably love this. So I hate having things in my closet I don't love. So yeah, I'm gonna return this, even though trying it on for this video is really making me second guess it because like I feel like blue is my color. So anyway, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Keep or return. I'm leaning towards return, but like guys, this is cute. Yeah, maybe I'll keep it. I don't know. It's just this part that's a little bit big. Wish it was like a little bit longer. Okay, let's talk about one of my other favorite items from this haul. It's this cute little leopard print skirt, and honestly, you guys, so cute. I'm just gonna wear it with like a little black tank top. I already had this one in my closet, which is perfect. So yeah, I think I got this one in a 1X, super comfy. It has a cute little lace detail at the top, which, you know what, it's all the details that matter. So love, love, love. I think it's so cute. I think it's really flattering, and I'm gonna be able to wear it so much. I think this is one of those pieces you can wear winter, summer, fall. I feel like all seasons you can wear leopard print, and it's just doing it for me. I actually might wear this tonight. Stay tuned. Okay, really quickly, I want to show you guys the bikinis I got. Sadly, none of them worked out. I was kind of expecting this because I find it really hard to shop for bathing suits, but I thought this one was so cute. This little green number, and it has these like little jewels on them. They have it on the bottoms as well. I got this in a 1X. Honestly, the top is like pretty good. It definitely is a bit tight for my boobs, and then the bottoms were like so close. Honestly, I really like the cheekiness in the back. The front was like really high-waisted, or like high on the hips, which is like super flattering, but the front part was just like cut way too slim. This was so close to keeping, but sadly this one's not gonna work out for me. Okay, and then I got this cute little, it's like zebra orange and pink bathing suit. This top actually fit pretty well. The set's in a 1X, but the bottoms were just like way too big. They were like massive, not cute. So sadly, another miss for this one. Okay, this brown one, pretty similar to the first one. Cute. We could make the top work. Definitely didn't fit like the best, but overall just not great for me. And then I really wanted like the little string bikini, but these bottoms were just way too small, so another miss, but it's all good. This one is in a 2X as well, so that's kind of scary that these were so small. Okay, something else I really love from this haul is this cute little purse that I got. I actually wore this out last night, and it's kind of like, it's not micro, but there's my hand. I would say this is like the width of my phone pretty much. Fit my wallet, my phone, and a lip gloss, so like everything you need. And I thought it was just the cutest little like vacation bag. The straps are adjustable, so I could probably move them down one, but I like how it has these little like details, so I could move them up so like it fits around my arm better, but I kind of like carrying it like this. So love, love, love. This one came in like a white and a red, and I really wanted to get like the red or like the burgundy. I think it was a burgundy actually, but I knew my black purse was kind of breaking, so you can never go wrong with a black mini bag, so highly recommend this one. Okay, then I'm just gonna show you this little outfit. Sadly, it was a miss. It's kind of just this like frilly material, two-piece set, long skirt with this cute like halter top string situation, which is like why it didn't really work out for me. I had high hopes for this, and I saw something like super similar on Meshki, but obviously the Meshki one was like probably $200 to $300 for both. When I saw this, I was like, oh, I'll give it a shot. Sadly, I need a little more support than a string up top, so I should have known this was gonna work, but you know, sometimes you just gotta try it and you're like, maybe this time will be different. But I also saw Peyton Sartain. She's a YouTuber I follow. She just got like an engagement shoot done in this, and I thought it was like the cutest thing. They were on the beach and so cute. So sadly, I'm gonna have to return them. All right, and the last item from this haul is this really, really cute jean dress. I love this dress because the material feels really thick and kind of has like an expensive feel, I'm not gonna lie. So we love that. This dress also gives you a really gorgeous shape. It's also t-shirt length, so I thought I could definitely wear it for work in like the spring and summer, but also like wear it on vacation. So I thought this was really cute. Unfortunately, because it was fitted, I ordered it in a 2X and it's just way too big for me, unfortunately. I also think because it's so big, it looks too long. Yeah, I'm sad about this one because I think it has really great potential, and I might reorder this one in a 1X or maybe even 2 sizes down. I think this is really flattering, and if you're looking for a jean dress, try this one. Okay, something else that I got are these cute little organizers. They came in like a pack of 6, I think, and I desperately needed something for all of my jewelry. I recently got the IKEA, I think they're called Alex drawers, and I had these organizers in there before, but it was kind of just a mess. Couldn't find anything, but I feel so overjoyed and happy with how my jewelry is now laid out. I have all my earrings in one place, I have my rings, I have my necklaces, and it just feels so much better. Love. I might even get more of these. I want to see if they have ones specifically for the necklaces, just because my necklaces don't all fit in here, so I'd love that for that. And I want to also check to see if they have some for like sunglasses and glasses, to keep those organized too, because I hate having them everywhere. But if you're looking for ways to organize, definitely check these out if you want a budget-friendly organization. Love. All right, that is everything from our haul today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment your favorite piece down below. I know what my favorite is. It's hard to choose one, but if you have a couple favorites, put those in the comments down below. Of course, I will be linking sizes, the products themselves, and the colors. So if you want to shop anything down below, feel free to do so. And I will see you guys in the next one. Subscribe, feel free to do so down below. And if you want to see my travel vlogs, we're headed to Colombia for a full month. We're gonna be working, we're gonna be vacationing, so definitely subscribe if you want to see that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.